Good morning, class 2. Today we will start our second unit syllabus of your EVS with chapter 12, Air. As we all know that air is all around us, even in an empty glass or vessel. We cannot see air, we can only feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Air has no taste or smell. Air has weight. Uh, if we blow a balloon and we hang it in a hanger on one side and another side there is a deflated balloon, you can see that the inflated balloon side hangs down as it has some extra weight in it in the form of air, and the deflated balloons remains upside. Air expands due to heat. To understand this property of air, we will require a tub of hot water and a plastic water bottle and a balloon. You can do this experiment with the help of any adult in your house. Now, fill a tub with hot water, then place a balloon on a plastic water bottle. Place this plastic water bottle inside the tub filled with hot water. You will see that the balloon starts to expand. This proves that air expands due to heat. What is the need for air? We all need fresh air to stay alive. Not only we human beings but also plants and animals need air. We all breathe in air. The oxygen that is in the air, we breathe in the oxygen and exhale or breathe out the carbon dioxide, which is used by the plants in order to make their food. So, air is very important not only for human beings but also plants, animals, and every living creature on the earth. We breathe through our nose, fish breathe through their gills, plants breathe through the tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. We must breathe in fresh air. Air pollution can make us sick. There are various causes of air pollution. Since we all need air to live, we must keep the air clean, or we must at least try to keep it clean as much as possible. Smoke and dust pollute the air. How can we reduce air pollution? Factories and vehicles give out smokes. These smokes from the factories and vehicles comes out regularly, which destroys the or pollutes the fresh air around us. Thus, we must plant trees along the roadsides or inside our house, small plants or bushes or trees, so that they generates more oxygen, which will keep up the balance of the oxygen and other gases in the air. Plants help to keep the air clean. Factories should be built away from the cities or towns or from any kind of localities, so that the polluted air that comes out from the chimneys of the factories doesn't affect the population around it. Factories should also have long chimneys. Air pollution can also be reduced by walking short distances instead of using a car or a scooter, and by not burning garbages in the open area. Now, due to air pollution, various diseases can affect the living creatures on earth. Now, airborne diseases and how can they be prevented? Some diseases can simply spread by breathing. These are called airborne diseases. In airborne disease, the disease spreads by germs that travel through air. We all breathe in air to stay alive. A person infected with cough or cold may spread this illness by coughing around people. Flu and tuberculosis are airborne diseases. We cannot avoid airborne diseases as we breathe air to live. However, If we follow certain measures, we may be able to prevent airborne diseases. We must stay at home when we are sick, or we avoid close contacts with people who are sick. We should wear masks to prevent the spreading of germs. We should cover our mouth when while we sneeze or we cough. Same should be done by others too around us. Or we could use a handkerchief or tissue for sneezing. Sneezes into your sleeves in case if you don't have any napkin or a handkerchief in your hand or with you. We should wash our hands thoroughly in case of if we cough or sneeze into them. Vaccines reduce the chances of a person getting airborne diseases. One must get vaccinated to prevent themselves from getting any airborne diseases. Some of the airborne diseases that have vaccine include chickenpox, influenza, and whooping cough. So this was the explanation of this chapter. Hope you all have understood. In the next class, we will continue with the PDFs of question answers and objectives. Thank you.